So it's 2019. It's definitely, this is the summer of cricket. We've got the World Cup, we've got the Ashes. And so in the brew house, we've decided to come out with a World Cup and Ashes cricket beer called Bowled Over. We brewed a delicious, hoppy, dark pale ale, which has got a hue of red to it. So you can see it's got a lovely red colouring, which puts some rye in it to give it a nice red colour, just like a cricket ball. Bingo. So we're launching this beer today at our annual match, which is the Bell Inn in Aldworth. Probably one of the nicest pubs in Berkshire, maybe in the world. Absolutely beautiful traditional country pub. And it's Arkell's Brewery versus the Bell. You can see my brother playing in the back there, George Arkell, slogging them around the pitch. It seems to be going pretty well so far, although I was just being caught out. So yeah, so here we are. This is our delicious Bowled Over. Hope you all have a pint. Cheers.